This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a multi-link rear suspension, air conditioning, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, dusk-sensing headlights, a passenger side airbag, and aluminum wheels. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Pacific Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3500 Cherry Avenue and across the street at 3600 Cherry Avenue in Long Beach.